Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BrettWifHat token. Brand new token, ticker symbol is BIF, BIF, and this token has not even launched yet. This is a very brand new project. We're going to go over the information on this token here in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, BIF is WIF's best friend, but on the base chain. So if you did not know, I mean, there's a very popular meme coin come out called WifHat. And there's been many WIF hats. There's been Trump WIF hat, Bonk WIF hat, Floki WIF hat, you name it. And then now there's been, a very popular Brett token come out as well on the base chain, which is Coinbase's chain, chain on Ethereum. And so now we have a combination of both of those memes together called BrettWifHat. So it says, one of our crypto's most significant cultural icons and the mascot of the base chain. So, PEPE, they say, is the, one of the main meme coins out there, and I guess you could call Pepe a mascot. And so, Brett is Pepe's friend. It's a Matt Fury character. He's blue. And so they say he's the mascot of the base chain. And now, so it says the bull run is starting for base meme coins. Brett on base reached a $150 million market cap. I just uploaded a video on the Brett coin last night, so go check that out. They're getting a brand new L-Bank listing, and I believe the market cap is a lot higher now. I think yesterday I was looking at it, it was 174 million or something like that. Doing very well. So, Wolf was another one on AVAX, one of the Matt Fury characters, and that one did 300 million market cap, so that one did well as well. What will BIF BrettWifHat reach? With a rapidly growing community of supporters, believers, and accelerating ecosystem on base. So, it doesn't have a launch date yet. It's got a web page, it's got a Twitter, a Telegram, and tons of info here. And we're gonna go over to their Twitter is. Let me open that up here. Actually, first their webpage is based BrettWifHat. So they call the other token also based Brett because also he's on the base chain and he is based. So on their webpage, they do have a how to buy button. So they say get some ETH, have some ETH in your wallet, bridge your ETH from the Ethereum network to the base network using bridge.base.org/deposit. Switch your base ETH for BIF. Go to UNISWAP and switch your base ETH for BIF. And we have 0 taxes, so you won't have to worry about slippage. So that's how you do buy the token. But according to their webpage here, it's not available yet. So they just tweeted out also March 5th. It says, beware of scams, people trying to put addresses and stuff like that. Beware of fake coins. We have not launched yet. It says, get ready. So you could bridge your ETH to base and get ready. But they have not launched yet. So I would follow their Twitter to see exactly when they are going to launch. At base BrettWifHat. So there's no D. It's not based. I'm going to put it in the corner of the screen over there. At base BrettWifHat. So follow that, and they will. They're going to let you know exactly when this launches. So they also have a Telegram. So their Twitter joined in March 2024. That's how brand new this token is. 5 tweets so far, 621 followers so far. Yesterday it was 200 followers when I was looking at it. So it more than doubled in a day. So people are anticipating this coin here. They do have a button on their webpage too. It says buy on Uniswap in the top right hand corner of the page. But if you click on that, nothing happens. So it's not available yet. And their Telegram here, you could follow, is at BrettWifHat Portal. Only 7 subscribers on the Telegram so far. So everything here is brand new. Now this total token supply here is going to be 10 billion tokens, no taxes, no team tokens, locked liquidity, contract ownership renounced. It's that simple. So they're going to have strong partnerships, it says, in the future. Right now they are partners with Bird Eye and CoinGecko and Dex Screener. So that's where you're going to be able to see the charts. Same with Dex Tools. You'll be able to buy the token on Uniswap. And yeah, check out their socials as well. So it says, hey kids, it's Daddy Biff. I seen you've been doing all right with your little meme coins, Brett, WIF, and PEPE. I gotta say, I'm proud you've made some gains and had some fun, but now it's time to let Big Daddy Biff take the lead. I've been around the block, and I know what it takes to build a real, lasting crypto project. Biff channels all the hype and all the energy you've created into this rocket ship. You've had your moment, but it's a man's game now, so sit back and let Daddy Biff work his magic, because I'm going to show you what real gains look like. All those 10 times were just warm-ups. With me leading the way, we're headed straight to the moon with no brakes. So we got strong partnerships. Biff has forged strategic partnerships with leading companies in the crypto space, which will help ensure the project's long-term viability and growth. Now, in a growing ecosystem, the Base Chains ecosystem is rapidly expanding with numerous projects and applications being built on the platform. This growing ecosystem provides a strong foundation for Biff's success, all as it allows the platform to leverage resources and expertise from other projects in the space. As the Base Chain continues to grow, so too the potential of the BIF token to thrive and expand its offering. Now, they have a strong community support. The Base Chain and BIF have gained significant support from a crypto community, with many prominent figures expressing their bullish outlook on this project. This strong community backing provides a solid foundation for the project's growth and success, as it ensures that there is a dedicated user base to support and promote the meme coin and the blockchain. Now, you can find this token listed on coinsniper.net. And yeah, so they will be launching soon. There's just no date as of yet, so stay tuned for that. Now, they may be launching today. There, I see something. It says March 7th, 19 hours UTC time. So maybe, but you'll have to verify that on their Twitter. Hopefully they post that today. So follow that Twitter right there. They'll let you know when the listing date is, and their Telegram as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.